Okay, now in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create your very own website within only a day and using a free service. It should not take you that long to build a website. This is the site for my store, Buy, Sell, Fix. Many of you guys have probably scoped this out because you purchased the course or you've seen me on YouTube. This is a little bit more of a complicated site because I do iPhone repairs and it's been around for 4 years, so I've developed it. You don't need something this extravagant. Or, well, it's actually not too extravagant. It's kind of ugly, but there's a lot of stuff on it, okay? And believe it or not, the fact that it is kind of ugly, you might think you need a beautiful, pretty, professional site, but actually, I had a pretty, beautiful, professional site, and that I actually had a professional web developer build, and it did worse than my ugly site. Actually, I made $5,000 less a month than when I had the ugly site. So don't think that you need to have this amazing website or people won't call you. That's not true, okay? This is just like my site. This right here, this picture was taken in my mother's basement. As you can see, there's iPhone 4s and 5s there. It's just a very basic, plain site. We just want to make sure we have keywords on here that are going to help us rank on Google. And I'll show you that in the third video. But in order to build this website, we're going to use a program called Weebly. Okay, you can use two programs. You can use Weebly or Wix. Wix is a little bit better, but I'm going to show you with Weebly because that's what I built my sites on, and it's a little bit tough to transfer them now. So Wix is a little bit more cutting edge. You can type that in as well if you want to experiment with that, and they're very, very similar in prices and style. So either Wix or Weebly. Let's go over to Weebly for 1 second. So this is my Weebly dashboard here. So the cool thing is you can actually build a whole website first for free before you even have to pay money for a domain or hosting using Weebly. All you would do is you just go over here to add clients and you would just create a new site. These are some of the sites I've created in the past. This is actually a website that I created for my wife with house cleaning services a long time ago. She used to be a housemaid. But we're going to go to my website now, Buy, Sell, Fix, and go to dashboard. And the cool thing about this is it gives you analytics built right in. So if we go to stats, I can actually see what people are searching for in my area and how many visitors I'm getting to my website a day. This is valuable because you know whether your ads are working perfectly, whether people are finding you, and how many calls you're getting. You can use it to increase your business. So if we see here for unique visitors, I'm getting about 125, 153, on average about 130 to 150 per day visit the website. And the cool thing is I can see what they're actually searching for to find me, so I know what keywords to put into my website. Now, this is something that will pop up a little bit more as you build the site. I just want to let you know the advantages of having this too. And you'll learn this more as you go. I don't want to overwhelm you too much. So as far as building a site, I would just go to Edit Site. Weebly and Wix give you plenty of templates to start your business. I started off with just a very basic generic template because I kind of like to create my own. I like nice, clean, and simple websites. Like this is just a white background, has the text. It says we pay cash for phones, laptops, tools, and tablets. Obviously, you wouldn't say 3 locations. You say call to get a free quote. I think it would be very important to include for keywords, we buy cracked or broken phones, iPhones, MacBooks. So that way, anytime someone on Google types cash for iPhones, cash for MacBooks, that your website will pop up if you do the right things. So that's the key. And you want to stay in a local area. So I would start off like cash for laptops in, let's say if you're in Tennessee, best prices in Tennessee for laptops, or best prices in Memphis, Tennessee for your iPhone, smartphones, or electronics. Okay. You just go to the dashboard here, edit, and it's a drag and drop thing. So if I wanted to go ahead and let's just say create a text box, I just go here, add this, and I could just add whatever I want, change the text, and boom, it's live. Okay, I'm not going to go through the whole features of this program because you can just experiment. It may take you a little bit of a learning curve, maybe an hour or two to play through the features, but very quickly you'll learn how to do this. And you can just copy my site. Go to ibuyforresale.com and kind of copy how I have it laid out if you want. Feel free to just steal that layout, okay? Don't get crazy. You can just do one page, and that should be good. Just one page. As you develop, when people are calling you, you can even save your time and do a frequently asked questions thing. So if they're getting a lot of questions all the time that people are asking and you want to automate that, you can add this frequently asked questions on your website. So that way it saves you a lot of time so that people are ready to just buy as soon as, or sell you their phone as soon as they call pretty much. Okay? But you have many different options on the website. Want to keep this as basic as possible for right now though. Okay, so that's it as far as how you're going to get the website. Once you build it and you make the page, then you're just going to publish it using the Webull or Wix editor, and then they'll ask you to sign up for a hosting and a domain name, and they have packages that are very cheap. Like I said, about $8 to $10 a month. Maybe it'd have gone up to maybe 15 or 20, but it would be well worth the money you're going to spend on that. All right. So now in the next video, I'm going to show you now how to get people to your website using Google and how to rank that. And that's the whole key to it. Website doesn't do anything if it's just sitting there on the web. We've got to drive traffic to it. And I'm going to show you how to some very powerful tools to get traffic there. I'll see you in the next video.